Imagine waking up in Manila and seeing cranes towering over the skyline, foreign companies setting up headquarters, and billions of dollars flooding into the economy. This is not a dream, it's happening right now. In 2025, the Philippines is becoming the center of a global economic shift, as 10 of the world's most powerful countries rush to invest like never before. But why are they coming? And how will this transform life for every Filipino? Stay with us as we reveal the surprising reasons, and the massive opportunities, heading your way. The rise of the Philippines. The Philippines is no longer just a tourist destination with beautiful beaches. In 2025, it's emerging as one of Asia's fastest growing economies. With a young, skilled workforce, strategic location, and booming industries like technology, renewable energy, and manufacturing, the country is becoming a magnet for foreign investors. Today, we'll explore 10 powerhouse countries making bold moves to secure their place in the Philippines, and what it means for you. Australia, boosting retail, infrastructure, and education. Australia is expanding its footprint in the Philippines, especially in retail and infrastructure. Brands like Onco are bringing affordable, high-quality products to Filipino consumers, driving competition and improving shopping experiences. This means better choices, modern stores, and a boost in local business partnerships. But that's not all. Australian companies are investing heavily in roads, bridges, and faster internet. Daily commutes are becoming smoother, and businesses are operating more efficiently with improved digital connectivity. These changes are laying the groundwork for smarter cities and a stronger economy. Education is also a major focus. More scholarships and partnerships between Australian universities and Philippine institutions are creating opportunities for students to study abroad and return with world-class skills, fueling future industries. Germany, powering renewable energy and manufacturing. Germany is leading the charge in renewable energy. Companies like WPD are investing billions in offshore wind farms, providing clean power and reducing electricity costs for Filipino households. But Germany's impact doesn't stop there. Their advanced machinery and automation technology are transforming the local manufacturing sector, boosting production efficiency and making Filipino industries more competitive. The automotive sector is also thriving, with German car brands expanding operations and introducing cutting-edge vehicle technology. This is creating jobs and giving Filipinos better access to high-quality transportation. United Arab Emirates, building a greener future. The UAE is driving the Philippines towards a sustainable future. Through renewable energy giant Masdar, they are investing heavily in solar, wind, and battery storage projects. These developments will reduce electricity costs, create thousands of jobs, and make power supplies more stable. Beyond energy, UAE businesses are expanding into tourism, construction, and finance. This growing relationship is not just about business, it's strengthening diplomatic ties and opening doors to even more opportunities for Filipinos. Singapore, elevating healthcare, finance, and startups. Singapore is transforming the Philippine healthcare system. Investments from Singaporean giants like JIC and KKR are helping Metro Pacific Hospital Holdings upgrade hospitals, modernize medical equipment, and improve patient care across the nation. In the financial sector, Singaporean banks are expanding their operations, giving Filipinos better access to loans, investments, and digital banking solutions. Perhaps most exciting is Singapore's role in boosting the startup ecosystem. Venture capital firms are funding innovative Filipino tech startups, driving advancements in artificial intelligence, fintech, and e-commerce. This is putting the Philippines on the map as a rising tech powerhouse. United Kingdom, outsourcing and retail surge. British companies are expanding their outsourcing operations in the Philippines, creating thousands of new jobs in customer service, IT support, and business solutions. UK brands are also making waves in the retail industry, offering Filipinos more choices and high-quality products. This surge in retail is helping modernize shopping centers and increase demand for skilled local workers. The education link is also growing stronger. Many Filipino students are pursuing degrees in the UK, gaining international experience and bringing back valuable expertise to contribute to the Philippine workforce. Japan, transforming retail and infrastructure. Japan is investing heavily in the Philippines retail sector. Neatery, a popular Japanese retailer, plans to open 65 stores by 2035, providing affordable and high-quality home essentials while creating jobs across the country. Infrastructure development is another key area. Japanese firms are leading the charge in building highways, upgrading public transport, and modernizing urban spaces. These improvements are reducing traffic, shortening commute times, and making cities more efficient. Japan is also pushing technological advancement in the Philippines. Investments in research and innovation are driving progress in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and telecommunications. China, manufacturing, telecom, and renewable energy. China is expanding its manufacturing presence in the Philippines, setting up large factories that create jobs and lower production costs for local goods. The telecommunications sector is also receiving a boost, with Chinese firms enhancing internet infrastructure to deliver faster, more affordable connections to Filipino households and businesses. China's push into renewable energy is helping the Philippines transition to cleaner power. Solar and wind projects are reducing dependence on fossil fuels, lowering electricity costs, and promoting environmental sustainability. South Korea, cars, entertainment, and electronics. South Korea's influence is growing in the automotive industry. Korean car brands are setting up production plants in the Philippines, offering affordable and reliable vehicles while creating technical jobs for locals. The Korean wave continues to thrive, with K-pop, K-dramas, and films driving cultural exchange and attracting tourists. This is boosting both the entertainment and hospitality sectors. South Korea is also investing in the technology and electronics industry, introducing smart appliances and cutting-edge gadgets to Filipino homes, while offering training programs to develop a skilled digital workforce. Canada, mining, energy, and skilled workforce. Canada is bringing responsible mining practices to the Philippines. Their investments ensure safer, more sustainable extraction methods, creating jobs while protecting the environment. Renewable energy is another area of focus, with Canadian firms supporting hydro and geothermal projects. This is reducing electricity costs and improving energy reliability. Education and workforce development are also key priorities. Training programs for healthcare, skilled trades, and tech professionals are giving Filipinos the tools to secure high-paying jobs both locally and internationally. United States, outsourcing, healthcare, and technology. The United States continues to be a driving force behind the Philippine outsourcing industry. Call centers and IT hubs powered by American companies are providing stable employment and helping the economy thrive. Healthcare is seeing massive improvements thanks to U.S. investments. Hospitals are being upgraded with advanced equipment, and medical professionals are receiving better training. Tech giants from the U.S. are also making big moves. Research and development centers are being set up, creating opportunities for Filipinos to work on cutting-edge innovations in artificial intelligence, software development, and automation. What this means for Filipinos: this wave of foreign investment is more than just numbers, it's changing lives. More jobs, better infrastructure, cleaner energy, and a thriving tech industry are transforming the Philippines into an economic powerhouse. Filipinos are no longer just part of the global workforce, they're becoming key players in building the future. The world is watching, and the opportunities are endless. Are you ready? Which of these countries do you think will have the biggest impact on the Philippines? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the Philippines' rise to global power.